Okay, so we're gonna start off by peeling 2 big old cloves of garlic and then roughly chop a few fresh tomatoes. Whatever variety you have on hand is going to work great. Then remove the big stems from a bunch of basil. We only want to use the leaves here. Then place the garlic and a little salt in the bowl of a food processor and process it until it's finely chopped. Add in the tomatoes, some skinless slivered almonds, basil leaves, lots of good quality extra virgin olive oil, and some freshly cracked black pepper to taste. Pulse everything together until it's coarsely chopped, and then add in some salty, finely grated pecorino romano cheese, and pulse it again for a few times. It should be smooth, but still have a good amount of texture to it. Pour that into a bowl and then drizzle a thin layer of extra virgin olive oil over the top. This is going to help preserve the color and the flavors, and it'll keep in the fridge for at least a week.